Hello, in this short video I'm going to be assembling the Axminster Craft heavy duty mobile base which I bought for my AC216TS table saw. This is the bigger brother of the lightweight base that they recommend for this saw. The base doesn't come with any instructions, at least mine didn't, but it is a relatively easy thing to assemble. There are these four corner pieces which are connected together using steel square section. The black frame has 3 fixing holes on each end and the square section has a number of threaded holes so you can adjust the size of the base. These nuts and bolts and washers came with 4 washers. I at first didn't realise there was 4 washers because I unscrewed it absent-mindedly and put one washer here, and then I was looking for the other washer and noticed that I had some spare, so I then took it all apart and I thought, well, perhaps there's supposed to be one washer here, one between these pieces of metal, one between these pieces of metal, another washer here, and then the nut, which would seem logical, but there doesn't appear to be the space in here to actually put the washers in between. That seems like that's where they should go, but in the absence of any instructions and with a lack of space to actually put them there, I've put them on the outside, which seems a bit odd. The minimum dimensions for the heavy duty base are a little too wide for my saw, so I'm going to modify it slightly by cutting off about an inch from each end of the shorter box sections. I start by marking how much I want to cut off, then holding the box section in the engineer's vise, I get to work with my hacksaw. With the box section shorter, I can now set the mobile base to the width of my saw and bolt everything together using spanners and a socket set. The mobile base is rated at 500 kilograms, which is well above that of my table saw. Nevertheless, this table saw is not light, and moving it onto the mobile base took a bit of head scratching. You should probably find a way to build the saw from the mobile base up. The mobile base allows me to move my table saw around my workshop relatively easily. But it does come at a cost. This table saw is very heavy, and without the mobile base it is rock solid, nothing's going to move it. But with the mobile base all that stability is lost and it will move and rock. Not a lot, but it's significantly different in terms of the level of stability. You know, you can see it moving just by doing that. It's rocking on the wheels. So that is a big cost to your table saw if you decide to go for a mobile base. For my small workshop, it's almost impossible to not have the mobile base, so I'll live with the compromise. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, why not subscribe by clicking my logo? It's free, and YouTube will add some of my videos to your feed. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.